Welcome viewers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace spark plugs on a Peugeot 207 2010 model, and also be giving you 5 symptoms you can get from having a bad spark plug. That's me loosening the first bolt off the coil pack. That's a 10mm. Earth wire disconnected. Loosening the other side. It's double bolted, both 10mm. That unclipped nice and easy. I'm now disconnecting the wires out of the harness. That's basically disconnected now. That unclipped nice and easy. I've also blocked up the 2 holes so nothing falls inside the engine. Coil pack removed. Four holes because it holds 4 spark plugs. That's me taking out the first one. Quite bad condition. I've seen worse, but still quite bad. To be honest, I'm not sure if the person's ever changed these. So just drop it in at first. Make sure it's just finger tight. The spark plug is a 16mm. That's the bolt for the coil pack. Going back in. That's me tightening back the 10mm bolt for the coil pack. And also 5 symptoms you can get if you have a bad spark plug could be engine misfire, rough idle, burning more fuel, poor acceleration, and also black smoke from the exhaust pipe. That's basically everything on this car back together. Wires plugged back into the harness. Everything's clipped back in, bolted back up.